Hi class, welcome to week 2 of professional development. Very, very closely followed by week 1. Um, what you're doing this week is you are taking a self-assessment. And while this might seem a little earthy, crunchy granola for some of you, I find this exercise to be absolutely fantastic because you can't know where you're going unless you know where you've been and you take some time and energy to think about where you want to go. And also just look at where you've been, what you're doing right now, and really be honest about what your preferences are, what your skill set is. And even many, many years into my career, I have stopped to self assess. And when I haven't, to be quite honest, um, the search has not been as good because it comes from a place of desperation, or this is the next thing that I should be doing, when indeed maybe it's not the next thing you should be doing. So self-assessment is really, really an important thing in life overall, but certainly as far as what your career path is. So you'll be doing the self-assessment. It will again open up on Sunday at 11:59. If you're watching this, obviously it's already open. And you'll have your first discussion question, which is really just asking about what about the self-assessment are you finding is surprising, and hopefully there are some surprises in there. And what about it is not surprising that you really know about yourself, or your friends and family know about you, or maybe something about yourself that has always been the same way, maybe even since birth. So those are really just interesting observations that you should make. Share with us as a class. I am interested to see some of you may actually have the exact same either epiphanies or things that you just realize about yourself. And they're definitely very reflective of what it will be like or is like in your workplace when those different personalities or values or interests come out. Then on Tuesday, the first discussion board will close and the second one will open. The second discussion board focuses much more on what are you getting out of the self-assessment? What were some of the conclusions that you came to? And can you build those into 3 career goals? And again, they can be very broad or very specific. I give some examples, and again, your wording you can change around, and again, this is going to sound a little silly and maybe a little crunchy for you, but often your career goals, your career objectives can even become mantras for you. So if you write, I want to get a position in the fashion industry or the retail industry, the more specific you can be, great. I want to get a job in New York City. I want to get a job in Bergen, New Jersey. I want to get a job in Jersey City. Focus in and try to be as specific as possible. And I ask you a little bit about the why in the discussion question. So again, a very, very soft start, but a very, very important start. So you really want to make sure you do the work because we're going to build from here. I hope you all have a great week. I will see you online, and good luck. Thank you.